CNC plasma cutting machine is mainly for automatically lofting and cutting the deformed workpiece. You can select a drawing from the new version of CAM duct and input dimensions and choose a way of connection. Then the software will start calculating, composing, jacking and cutting automatically according to your requirements. New version of CAM duct software from Hypertherm of United States and encrypting Chinese version. Original generator of Hypertherm of the United States, or homemade generator of hvac economy version. Vertical control cabinet with 10-inch touchscreen. 15-inch screen is optional.